Hey guys, it's Princeton with Beginner Investing University. Just want to come and provide you guys with 3 tips. For you guys that's new to investing, I'm going to provide you with 3 tips to get started. Okay, so tip number 1, choose a goal. Before you go out and download any apps, any investing apps, open any brokerage accounts, I need you to have a clear goal, a clear investing goal. What is it that you're trying to do with these accounts? What is it that you're trying to get out of the stock market or real estate, whatever you're going to be invested in? What is it that you're trying to accomplish? Tip number 2, pick a strategy that will help you reach that goal. It really is that simple. Pick a strategy that's going to help you reach that goal. And the final tip today, you know what that is? Stick with that strategy. Too many times I see people that pick a strategy, they have a goal, they watch the news, and all of a sudden they're in a panic. They start pulling their money out. They start making additional trades. They start trying to do this next hot thing they saw in a magazine or someone on Instagram and end up losing their money. That's not how it works. So again, guys, 3 simple tips. Tip number 1, set a goal. Tip number 2, pick a strategy that will help you meet that goal. Tip number 3, stick with the strategy. And there you have it. My 3 tips for beginners in investing to get started. For more tips, tricks, things like this, you can definitely go to my website, beginnerinvestinguniversity.com. Follow me on all the social media channels, and I will help you get your investing in check. Talk to you guys next time.